I came from a background of property management, so everyone I knew was in the IT department, and they just kept trying to get me involved. And then there was this amazing guy who introduced me to Veeam and told me all about Veeam and the company, how he really enjoyed it. And he asked me if this was something I would like to be interested in, and I said, why not? Let's give it a try. And that's what made me come to Veeam. Well, what we do is we call our customers and we develop that relationship with our customers. And 9 times out of 10, they're going to renew because they enjoy the product. I'm just going to give you top 5 that I think will make a great candidate. Someone who's coachable, someone who's task-oriented, someone who's goal-driven, someone who's self-motivated, and how about someone who's likable? What are you waiting for? Like, if you want that longevity, if you want a career, if you want to grow, if you want a place where they allow you to utilize your strength, this is where you want to be. If you want to do Veeam amazing things, let's connect.